Hi, I'm Coin Ring Maker, and today I'm going to be making a coin ring out of this Walking Liberty $50. First thing we got to do is punch a hole in it, so let's get into it. There we go. Now this inside cut edge is a little rough, so I'm going to clean that up. There we go, we got it nice and smooth, and there's our cute little silver shaving. So pretty! The next step is to anneal this coin. I mark it with a Sharpie or a dry erase marker, and we're just going to hit it with some fire and dip it in some water. Now that we have it properly annealed, we can do the first fold. Now we'll go ahead and do the second fold. It's looking pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and anneal it one more time. Now I've gone ahead and sanded this cut edge, and I'm going to stretch it out on my ring stretcher to even out these walls. Now we've got it nice and stretched out. I just need to make it a little smaller. Here I've wrapped it up in Teflon or plumber's tape. This is going to protect the detail as I push it down in this reduction die. You can see here we've got kind of a cone-shaped ring. What I'm going to do is flip this upside down in the die and push it down to even up these walls. And here's our ring so far. Now I just need to clean it up and get it shiny. There we have it. Our finished Walking Liberty $50. What do you guys think? I think it came out pretty cool. Well, if you'd like to get yourself one of these, they're available at coinringmaker.com. I just added them today, and I really like them. Want to see what it looks like on me? Shiny as hell. Look at this thing. It's gorgeous. My hands are dirty, but it is clean. Have a great day.